Hey guys, welcome back. So we are finally going to start installing things on your machine to kind of get you going in that direction. So I say finally. From your perspective, you've gone through maybe about 10 minutes worth of video. From my perspective, it's been about 4 hours since I've been doing all this work. So for me, it's finally. Okay, for you, it's 10 minutes in. But anyway, let's get this started. So first and foremost, talked about virtualization and I talked to you about all the different options you have. So we're going to be using, or I'm going to be using VMware. So at the end of the day, this is what we want to end up with. Okay, I'm using Workstation Pro 12, but what you can do is you can get a trial version. So this is what I'm going to share with you guys. Now, when you go to your search engine and you put in VMware, you're going to see their official site pop up on top. And of course, like any company, they want to make the sales, right? You go to the official site, you hit the download button, and it'll bring you over here. And what we're looking for over here is the application or end user computing app called Workstation Pro. When you look over here, you'll see the download product option and drivers and tools option. But when I look a little further up, you'll see they have options for download trial. That's not showing up down here. So what you need to do is step back, go back to your search engine and put in VMware trial. Okay, and that's going to bring up their evaluate VMware products page. And over here, you'll be able to get VMware for free for 60 days. So you click that link, it's going to show up like this. You are going to expand the one that says personal desktop, and you're going to download the free trial version for VMware Workstation Pro. So once you get that downloaded, it's pretty easy. It's a standard executable file. You're going to download it, run the exe file. They're going to ask you for your email address. And after that, you can just go through, get your 60 days for free. In the event that you choose that you want to purchase this, I believe this VMware product is $199. Let me see if I can find that. But well worth it. I mean, at least from my point of view, if you're going to be doing this quite a bit down the road, well worth it to purchase it. So, of course, I can't find it, but at some point later in this video, I will circle back and I will find out what it will be going for. But again, I have a version of this. I think the one that you guys are going to be using is going to be updated. I think they're up to 16, but the one, or they're up to 14. But the one that I'm using is an older version, which is 12. It works just the same. So easy for the step. Get the free trial, download it, run the exe file, and then when you're there and your station looks like what you're seeing on my screen right now, then that's a go. We'll get to the next step after that, which is going to be installing Kali Linux. All right, so I will see you guys on the other side. Bye.